This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you why Google Gemini is a great way to find local services and companies. And let's get started with an easy example. So when you come to Google Gemini, and Gemini is free if you already have a Google account, like a Gmail account, you'll come to an area that says enter a prompt for Gemini. And prompt just means ask a question or make a statement and Gemini will react to it in some way. You have the option of choosing fast, thinking, or pro. So usually for most questions like this, when you're asking about local service providers, fast is fine for 95% of the questions. If it was something very specific or you needed like a follow-up question that required a little bit more detail, you could use the thinking option, but it will take more time. So I'm going to paste in a question. And one other thing I'd like to say before I go into this particular example is do not paste personal or sensitive information into Google Gemini. And one reason is because Gemini preserves your chats or the questions you ask. And if somebody else were to find that, like you put a password or something in there, that might be not very good for you. So I'm going to ask it, I have an electric train set. Where can I sell it in the Boston area? And let's see what it says. So it usually takes just a couple seconds to come up with an example. So it's giving me an overview first. So it says specialized hobby shops. And then it gives me the actual places where I might be able to resell this stuff. One of them has a link. So it looks like it's a link to a news source. The other ones don't. And then it also gives options for local auction houses, Central Mass Auctions, Little Richie's, Antiques, and Braintree. They're known for paying cash for vintage collectibles. And what I could do, actually this shows the link to the website. I could just click on that. And then I could find, it says right here, I could click on that and it would show me information about that. So I really use it for things like this where it's a specific service that I need. The other thing you can do is you can ask about, like, maybe let's say that I want to find an insurer for this and it doesn't need to be local. So I could ask a follow-up question. Is there a way for me to insure this set, which is very valuable? Now, it might not give me local services, but it will hopefully give me other types of services. So it does say there are top specialized insurers. American Collectors Insurance, they offer Treasure Guard policy that covers agreed value. This means if the train is lost, you get the exact dollar amount you agree to upfront with no depreciation. And you can see that there are links over here. So nowadays, I'm using Google Gemini for questions like this, where in the past I might have used just an ordinary Google search or Bing search or something like that. The reason why I think this is superior to Google's own search engine is when you search on Google, you just get shown a lot of junk. You get shown advertisements for stuff you're not interested in. Maybe you're shown like a blog post by someone who's trying to game the Google algorithm to get at the top of results. Whereas this question, it's very direct what I'm looking for. I can usually check the sources, although not all the time. And it just explains stuff in a very good way. And if I have a follow-up question, I can ask it that. So I really appreciate that for finding local companies or local service providers for either my personal needs or for my business needs. If this video helped out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thank you so much for watching.